Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Roha's Art. Today I will paint forest art with a new technique. I hope you all will like the full video. Please watch full video and please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for more beautiful painting. It really motivates me. I will tell an anime story today. Name of the anime is Suzume. Suzume is a story about a young girl who lives in a world surrounded by the supernatural. When she finds out that her mother is the key to unlocking the secrets of the past, she embarks on an unexpected and thrilling journey. The series follows Suzume on her quest to uncover the truth about her family's history, as she experiences the dangers of a world filled with mythical creatures and powerful magic. Along the way, she meets new allies, makes dangerous enemies, and unravels the mysteries of an ancient prophecy. One of the series' most interesting themes is the idea that through learning and understanding, one can transcend their own destiny. As Suzume continues her journey, she begins to understand the power of knowledge and the importance of being able to think for herself. The animation of Suzume is stunning, and the colorful visuals match the vivid and imaginative story. As the skies turn red and the planet trembles, Japan stands on the brink of disaster. However, a determined teenager named Suzume sets out on a mission to save her country. Able to see supernatural forces that others cannot, it's up to her to close the mysterious doors that are spreading chaos across the land. A perilous journey awaits as the fate of Japan rests on her shoulders. Do let me know in the comments section if you like my painting or want to give me any suggestion. Please subscribe and like, share, comment. Have a nice day. See you in my next video.